Hello, my name is Melissa Mittman, and this is my second attempt at my interpersonal communication peer presentation because I missed the part where I had to actually be in the video. So I just want to say thank you for giving me the opportunity to correct my mistake and resubmit. Let's see here. Let's move on. Okay, so the skill that I'm working on the most right now is my group communication skills. When I took the test in the first module, it showed that I had a lack of confidence in group communication settings, and I completely agree with that assessment because I get anxious and panicky every time I have to talk with a group, and it just stems from my feelings of not belonging and saying the wrong things. Anytime I have to talk to a group, I always go home and just pick apart every little word that I said, and it's a problem, so I'm trying to work on it. And then why I'm working on the communication skills, well, I feel it's really important to work on these things that we struggle with in order to set a good example for my children, and also it's going to help me in my future career. We'll probably have to do meetings with other coworkers and such, or possibly customers if that's the route I go, and I need to be comfortable with communicating in groups. And then when I was reading the textbook, I realized that I may be being rude when I am talking in group settings because I feel like I have to have a point or share my own experience for like every point that somebody else is saying, and so I'm like over talking, and I feel like I do that because I get really anxious when I am in a situation with people. So I'm working on not monopolizing the conversations. Let's see. I've worked to increase my competence in group communication by forcing myself to hang out with the mom group that hangs out in front of my kids' school in the mornings when I drop them off. And I started just by listening to whoever was talking and not interjecting or saying my own experiences after every point. And I've actually found that it's helped me be a better listener, and I actually feel a lot less anxious now when I'm talking, because I'm not like trying to think of something to say all the time because it's like I feel like I don't belong a lot of the time, and just sitting and listening makes it so I don't have to give input to get that feeling like I belong in the group. So anyway, that's what I've got so far, and that's what I'm working on. So thank you for listening, and that's the end of my presentation.